might be wondering which holiday apartment we're staying in Barbados. Well, come in and we'll give you a tour. So this is the living slash bedroom. A nice huge bed, so when you're jet lagged you can just plop down and fall asleep. You can also hide suitcases and whatever luggage you brought underneath here. Just drop the blanket over it and you don't have to look at the fact that you haven't unpacked your suitcase yet. Also have some free books and travel guides under here. You can put some stuff in your drawers or have your keyboard by the bedside if you're a compulsive writer like I am. Some nice garden chairs if you want to relax when you come back from the beach. And well, we'll save the view for later because the view is really the highlight here. So yeah, we also have like a nice little table, DVD players if you're a person who still owns DVDs. Is there like a DVD store that you can go and borrow them in Barbados?
There might be, but I haven't been to one in quite some time.
Yeah, bring your own DVDs if that's something you like. If not, there's also just the normal TV with even German stations we found, so that's fun if you enjoy German TV. It's a nice big table to have your lunches on, breakfasts, dinners, whatever. A very big fridge. I'm always amazed by the sizes of fridges and freezers in this side of the world. I'm like, look at that. It's huge. So much ice cream, ice, other cold stuff you can put in there. Cool all your drinks, so you have a good drink when you come home. And here we are in the kitchen. All the essentials that you need. Microwave, sink, dishwashing, whatever. A nice stove. What do you call this? British tea kettle? Is it only the British that use it? I've only ever seen it in British movies. I was like, how do you use that? I'm scared. It makes noises, but Sam told me how to.
Yes, we're not uncivilized, just, you know, some people like the classic whistle kettle over the electric one.
Yeah, you also got your toasters, if you're a toast-eating person. We're not, so we haven't used it. And if you're very dedicated to coffee, you can even do your own filter coffee. Or you're lazy like us and you just have your, wherever we put our coffee and tea. So yeah, you also got your cutlery and glasses and teapots. So if you're having a party, there's actually enough glasses if you want to have someone over. So one important thing about the kitchen that I always find hilarious coming here, because I've never seen it somewhere else, is this thing. Sam, explain what it is.
Well, it's none other than a bottle cap opener. So, if you've got your drinks, your nice beer that you want to chill with.
Let's say this was a beer bottle. You can apparently just put it there and open it like that. I find that hilarious that it's built into the house. It's like, but it's good because you're always looking for your beer opener if you have one and can never find it, so it makes sense. So yeah, just a little area to put your keys and stuff. Then this is actually a nice hallway because you have cupboard space over there and you have a nice big mirror over here. Come in, Sam, so we can show off the camera.
Howdy, people. Howdy.
And you got some more drawers and some more space down there to hide some luggage or dirty laundry.
Not that we have dirty laundry down there, we're just giving an example.
And this is the bathroom. Sink, toilet, the usual, shower. Over here. I was confused at first because there is these two things, but apparently there's like a thing that you can turn off there, so... Yeah,
there's a switch behind, so you have some options, you know, if you want a shower or a handheld.
Took me a bit to figure it out in the beginning. It's always the weirdest part about travelling to other countries is trying to figure out how the showers work. So last but not least, the view, because that is the most beautiful part, because this holiday apartment comes with a little terrace. Drum roll.
Boom, boom, boom.
Less elegant than I imagined. But yeah, basically you have your own little terrace there, your chairs to sit down on, and a beautiful outlook on Rockley apartments. There's a golf course over there, you can watch the a bit older residents of these holidays apartments have their fun golfing. And yeah, you can just enjoy beautiful sunsets from here, have your cup of tea or cocktails out there on the terrace, and just enjoy the beautiful weather, where it's always sunny, not like in Dublin, where it's never sunny almost.
Yes, we still love you, Dublin, but in the face of this, yeah, we're gonna have to go with these views.
Yeah, and the colours. Everything looks more colourful here, I realise. In Dublin, everything looks grey. Like you have a grey filter on. In here, it's just like, look at those beautiful flowers over there. Oh, hi, bird friend.
Yes, we also have some random wildlife that can come to greet you on mornings.
So one thing I forgot to mention, because you never need it in Dublin, is of course AC. It comes with AC and a really powerful fan. I don't know who had the idea to put fans like that above the lamps, but it makes so much sense because it cools the room beautifully. You just have to remember which cord is for the fan and which one's for the lamp.
Yeah, middle is for the light and the shorter one is for the fan. I've learned that pretty well now.
Yeah, otherwise you want to turn it on during the night and suddenly it's the light you turn on accidentally and the person sleeping next to you is like, ah, where is their light?
So just to explain a bit about what Rockley is. Rockley is actually full name is Rockley Golf Course Resort. So behind us that we're about to show you is actually the golf course. So if we record when we drive out, you're going to see a bunch of people playing golf. It's really cool. It's also got a pool area as well, which we'll show you. It's kind of like all these apartments here, kind of like this one, with lovely little balconies, terraces that you can chill on, play some golf, and the best thing about it, it's really central. If you have a car or walk, the beach is right there on the south coast of Barbados. Of course, lovely. We're also going to be there very soon. Yeah.
Make sure to subscribe. We'll show you the area around this place and more of Rockley itself.
Yeah, but today we're going to the north, so see you then. Right, so that was our quick room tour. Sorry for not being longer, but we've got to run. We've got places to see, and hopefully, I'm not promising, but about 2 days before we got there, they reported of whales up in the North Ocean, so that's where we go, see if you can find some whales. If not, just some lovely scenery. Okay, see you. Bis später.